Good afternoon, Jim Lyons, General Manager, MarineMax Savannah here. I want to tell you about this beautiful 25 Dauntless. It's a 2025. It's light blue in color with cream cushions. You'll see that we've got the tournament leaning post in the boat. You've got ample seating for 10 in this bay boat. It's got wonderful deck space for casting platforms, and you'll also see a ton of space at the helm deck. We've outfitted this boat with a 12-inch Simrad and an upgraded JL audio stereo. It also has the Simrad VHF and a hard top, also painted in light blue on the underside. You've got a total of 16 rod holders on this boat, to include the 4 tulips on the T-top and the 4 tulips on the back of the leaning post. You've got full bench seating, as well as bolsters that would come down and could be used as leaning post if you're running while you're standing up. Trim tabs, full Mercury pinnacle that supports a 300 horsepower Verado. It is also outfitted with an Atlas jack plate so that you can get up in that skinny water and get after those fish, or just use it when you're at the sandbar with your family. I mentioned before you've got ample seating for 10. You got 2 jump seats here that open up pretty easily, and this one is set up to be utilized. So I'll close this one back down in the casting deck configuration, and then we'll walk forward and we'll take a look at the bow. Be right back. I told you about the ample room, 25-foot bay boat, and you've got this wonderful layout chaise lounge. This is bigger than some 30-foot class boats. You've got a ton of storage as this opens up into what is essentially a garage. I mean, look, you could get down there and hunker down out of the weather if you needed to. There's a nice synthetic teak dress tabletop that goes in this forward bracket so that you can turn this area into an entertaining area in the bow. You've got 2 seats forward that have backrests, and the way those would work is they just get pulled up and sat. So you've got tons of seating up here. I'm about 5'11" and I've got plenty of leg room. This pad comes out to support a full casting deck, as well as a huge fish box. So this is insulated. You could throw ice in here, ice blocks, bottled water ice. It'll hold fish all day long. It's set up for a trolling motor. It's got cup holders forward, and of course, Boston Whaler prides itself on using the top grade stainless that they do, so you'll see that throughout. Just a wonderful boat for intercoastal fishery and sandbar hopping. I'm Jim Lyons, General Manager, MarineMax Savannah. Please come see us if I can show you this boat or something else. You can reach us at 912-897-9881. Thank you.